In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a SharePoint site, Microsoft SharePoint 2026 tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite people to your site, choose the right level of access, and make sure everything is set up securely. You'll need to be a site owner or have permission to manage access to follow along. Start by opening SharePoint in your web browser and signing in with your work account if prompted. From the SharePoint start page, navigate to the site where you want to add people. You can find it under Following Recent or by searching for the site name. Make sure you're on the correct site homepage before proceeding. On the site, look to the top right and select the Settings gear icon. This opens the site's configuration options. From there, choose Site Permissions. This page shows who currently has access and through which SharePoint groups such as owners, members, or visitors. Next, select Add Members. You'll see options for how you want to grant access. Choose Share Site Only. This option gives users access to the site without changing membership in a broader Microsoft 365 group. It's ideal when you simply need to allow people to view or collaborate on this specific site without giving them additional group resources. In the invite box, type the names or email addresses of the people you want to add. As you type, SharePoint will suggest matches from your organization's directory. You can add multiple people at once. If your organization allows guest access, you can enter external email addresses as well. Otherwise, stick to internal users. Before you send the invitations, set the permission level. Choose Read if the person only needs to view pages, documents, and lists without making changes. Choose Edit if they'll be contributing content like uploading files, editing list items, or updating pages. Reserve full control for site owners or administrators who manage settings, permissions, and structure. When in doubt, apply the least privilege needed and adjust later if necessary. Finally, click Add or Share to send the email invitation. SharePoint confirms that access has been granted and the recipients receive a link to the site. They'll appear under the appropriate group based on the permission you selected. If you don't see the settings gear or the add members option, you likely don't have permission to share the site, so contact a site owner or your IT admin. That's it. You've added users to your SharePoint site, selected the right access level, and shared it securely. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.